Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bato sa Attorney Clear Castro. Today is October 1, 2025 at okay ba ang ating audio? Mga clear, yung tinake up natin kanina kay Senator Riza ay sabay-sabay natin napanood kasi hindi ko naman siya napanood ng buo. So yun lang yung take up natin. Alam ko lang na bumoto siya ng no, kaya yun ang take up natin. Pero alam ko ito bumoto ng yes, pero yung pinakatalumpati niya, ngayon pa lang natin, ngayon ko pa na siya mapapanood at tignan natin ano ba yung mga sinabi niya. Okay? Makatao ba? Makahustisya ba? O makadigong siya. Let us see. Thank you, Addictus Rex. Thank you. Okay? Panoorin natin po
Personal to me, as a person, as a Christian, as a Filipino.
Talagang ginamit niya pa as a Christian, mga kaklir
Majority Leader.
Thank you, Mr. President. Do you recognize the distinguished minority floor leader, sir?
The Minority Leader, Senator Alan Cayetano, recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Mr. President, allow me to just say some words that is personal to me, as a person, as a Christian, as a Filipino, as a senator of this republic.
Bakit parang nagbago siya ng mga Nagbago siya ng kanyang mga linyahan. Naging maka-Diyos na siya. Ha? Kung bastos-bastos din dati nito si Diba? Sige.
I remember, Mr. President, na pinag-uusapan kasi yung smuggling ng bigas at nandito po si then Mayor Duterte. In fact, doon muna siya naghintay sa kwarto ni Senator Pia. And in the course of their conversation, tinawag nila ako, we joined. Then may nasabi si Mayor Duterte doon that caught my ear, no? Sabi niya, Pia, Senator, formal siya, sabi niya, Senators, Senator Pia, Senator Alan, how I deal with criminals in Davao, I take responsibility. And one day, before God, I have to account. Not exact words, but basically ang sinasabi niya, nung na-elect siya, he has to take responsibility. And he knows there is an accounting. Few years later, September.
So alam mo na. Yung pala, alam mo na kung anong ginagawa niya sa Davao? May idea ka na because sabi niya he has to account. So alam mo na pumapatay siya. At kahit alam mo na, talaga nakipag-partner ka pa. At kailangan mo pang i-justify yung pagpatay niya. Tama ba yun? Kristiyano ka, sabi mo.
2015, hindi ko po makalimutan, lumipad po ako Davao. I asked him if he's running for president and I asked him if I could join him.
O, di ba? Politikong-politiko, mga kaklir. Kaya hindi niya matulig sa yung pagpatay. Di ba? Kailangan niyang kampihan.
He took a piece of paper, he drew yung mga graduate ng PMA, police, and then pag nagiging colonel, nagiging militar, and then he started talking about corruption and how drugs corrupted the law enforcement, and then how it will spread sa judges, sa politicians, etc. No? Long story short, after that night, instead of asking him to run, sabi niya hindi siya tatakbo, or instead of asking him if I could run as his vice president, lumabas na lang sa bibig ko na, if you run, I will be for you. If you choose me, I will campaign with you. If you don't choose me, I am now committed to you.
Di ba? So, Duterte siya talaga. Kaya pag dyan ka,